how to add a favicon or site icon in your WordPress. So it's pretty simple. You can do it in WordPress admin without any builder. So go to your WordPress admin, and on the left we want to enter settings, and once you are here, find site icon, and you have to choose a site icon here clicking on this button. Here is the description what site icon is. It's what you can see in browser tabs and bookmark bars. It should be a square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. So if you have favicon ready, you have to choose a site icon here and you can upload it here. So you can drop your favicon here, or you can search in your media library. And once you upload it here, make sure it's selected, and in the right down corner area, click Set as Site Icon. Here you can crop it like you want. Once you finished, click Crop Image. And also here is going to be a preview, which is very useful, as you can see in the browser tab and also in the bookmark tab. To remove it, simply click this button. To change that, you can change it always here. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.